Here's a quick guide on how to create your loyalty program account on Acknowledge. Click the floating Acknowledge Rewards button, then select Join Now. Enter your email address and click Continue. You'll immediately receive a 6-digit code in your inbox. Be sure to check your spam folder if it doesn't appear right away. Enter the code and you're in. Once inside the customer portal, you can view your orders and access all loyalty program details from the top menu. Here, you'll see your points balance, along with different ways to earn and redeem your points. Your account details are always easy to access. You can view and manage them anytime, no matter what page you're on. You can access the customer portal directly by clicking the account icon or by scrolling to the bottom of the page. A few minutes after signing up, you'll receive an email confirming the points you earned for joining. And that's it. Your loyalty program account is ready.